Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, that is popular dog breeds in your general knowledge book. Okay, this is given on page number 8. Before that, let me say something about the dog. Nowadays, dog is not an animal. Okay, it is the part of our family. It is the most faithful animal, we can say. It is not only playing with us, they are guiding us, they are protecting us also, and they are very loyal towards us. Okay, and if we are keeping the pet, it gives us a lot of companies also, and we feel very good with them. Okay, so nowadays that is not an animal but one of the family member. So here we are going to discuss some of the breed of the dog. Okay, let's enjoy the different breeds. First is Labrador Retriever. Okay, you can see there are the different color available in this dog. This breed is famous for its pleasant nature and loyalty. I must say, not only this Labrador, but all the dog is very loyal. But among those, these are little more loyal. Okay, most are the family pets. These can live with the family very nicely, but used for many work as like search and rescue. If we have to find something, if we have to protect something, if we have to search anything, then these dogs are helping us. Next is hunting. Also, these are very good hunter, as the fishing and the service dogs. Okay, so these can be the pet also, and these can be service dogs also. Okay, next is German Shepherd. Okay, German Shepherd is having a little fluffy body, as you can see. Okay, their fur is a little more as compared to the other dogs. They are very intelligent and hardworking in nature. They used as a guide, therapy, search and rescue. They are helping the police also, and explosive detecting dogs. If we have to detect any of the dangerous thing, especially like a bomb that can create a lot of damage, these dogs help us in searching of those. Okay, so this German Shepherd is not only hardworking, but they are helpful and loyal, intelligent also. Because these are intelligent, that's why they help in detecting the dangerous thing. Next is Golden Retriever. Okay, these are very cute looking dog, and even tempered. That means they don't get high temper. They are very calm, and they are very gentle with the children also, and with other family members. That's why most of the time we can see this dog as a pet. Okay, so children enjoy the company of this Golden Retriever, and when they are seeing the stranger, they are involved in the stranger also. Instead of barking or biting them, okay, they become very friendly with the stranger also. These are very lovely and loyal, as well as very friendly dogs also. That's why most of the time we used to keep these dog as our pet. Next is Bulldog. We can say this is the one of the most cutest dog that we can see. These are very small size, and there are a very cute wrinkle found on the face of Bulldog, and it is having pushed in nose also. Okay, initially in India we can see these are popular as a Vodafone dog also, because this dog we used to see in the ad of the Vodafone, but actually the breed name is Bulldog. Okay, these are very medium size, cute, small size dog, and these are excellent family pet dog. If you will pet, okay, these are very friendly, and they enjoy the company of the children as well as the other member, and we love to keep these type of dog in our home. Okay, they create a very strong bond with their masters. Next is Beagle. Beagle is mostly known for their hunting. Okay, they are very good hunter. They love hunting rabbits, but not only rabbit, the other hunting other animals are also hunted by the beagle, like jackal and pig. Okay, so mostly beagles are known as the hunting dogs. Next, we are going to discuss about the poodle. The name is also cute, and this dog is really looking very cute. Actually, these are looking like little toy. you cannot recognize these are the artificial dog or the real dog, but actually these are very cute, loving, and like a toy real dog. Okay, they can be found in the three color: black, brown, or white. These are very ridiculous and fun loving dog. Okay, they are very ridiculous means you will enjoy the company of these dog. They are very playing with the members, but they are attention seeker. If you are not giving attention to these dog, then they can get a little irritated and they can bark on you. Okay, so if they are very pretty, the beauty thing always need the attention, right? So these are very cute, that's why they need a little attention of their master. If you will not give, then they will try to attract the attention. So these are very good pet, and they enjoy the we enjoy actually the company with these poodle dogs. Next we are going to discuss is German short haired pointer. Okay, you can see the picture. A small spot you can find on the body of this German short hair pointer. The name is explaining why the name is given German short hair, because this was developed in Germany. Okay, this breed of dog is found in the Germany. It is versatile hunting breed, being it is the gun dog. That means it is used for the shooting purpose also, and sometime for the hunting in the water as well as on the land. They can hunt in the water, that means they can catch the fish or the other animals inside the water also, and they can hunt on the land also. Okay, the last we are going to discuss about the Siberian Husky. Whenever we take this name, one image come in our mind, that is sledge. Okay, these dogs are found in the frozen area. Why? Because basically this breed of dog is used to pull the skills. Okay, these are having the pulling skills. Okay, sledge are pulled by these husky, Siberian Husky. That's why these dogs are mostly found in the snowy area, where we have to pull the logs or the little heavy things. Okay, so these Siberian Husky is known as the pulling skills. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed the different breed of the dog, and please select one of the breed, which breed you will like to keep in your home. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed. In the next class we will discuss the next page of the same chapter. Thank you for watching.